The day before Christmas. In the chilly holiday season, Santa was preparing to deliver gifts to children. He wore his warm, red suit and his hat with a fluffy white ball on top. He had his list of who's been naughty and who's been nice. Santa's sleigh was packed with presents, and his reindeer were ready to fly through the snowy sky. Santa couldn't wait to bring joy and happiness to all the boys and girls around the world on Christmas Eve. Santa got sick right before Christmas, and everyone was worried if he could deliver gifts. So, Santa asked his team of elves to find someone else to help him out during this festive time. Only one little elf named Davy, who was new and often teased by the other elves for being small, bravely volunteered to help Santa, even though they made fun of him. Davy, the small elf, had a hard time at first trying to ride Santa's sleigh and kept falling. But he didn't give up. He asked Santa for one more try, and with lots of determination, he finally learned to ride the sleigh perfectly on his last attempt. Everyone was amazed at how well he did. On Christmas Day, the little elf delivered all the presents to children and did a great job. When he came back, Santa gave him a special gift to say thank you for being so brave and committed. The elf got a new costume, and he was very happy and grateful to Santa.